with great power, there must also come great responsibility.
Oh, Mr. Parker.
When you can do the things that I can, but you don't, and then the bad things happen, they happen because of you.
They're not stopping. You have a metal arm?
You got hard, kid.
Big fan of Spider-Man.
You're the Spider-Man. Are you an Avenger? Good old
Spider friend? Hey, man.
kid. You're an Avenger now. Avengers!
Hey, Peter Parker.
Insect.
You want to fight? I am Spider-Man.
I can't believe I figured it out.
Spider-Man's name is Peter Parker. My entire life got screwed up, and maybe you could go back in time and make it so that he never did.
The multiverse is a concept about which we know frighteningly little. And it started pulling in everyone who knows Peter Parker Spider-Man from every universe into this one. And so it begins.
Okay. Wait, he's not your friend.
They're here because of you.
What if everyone forgot who I was?
It would be as though you never existed.
I know.